Welcome back, my beautiful family. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to be making creamy penne pasta with shrimps. So sit back, we're going to be enjoying this, I promise you. It's very easy. We're going to be making this from scratch to finish. So join me. Okay, lovelies, we're going to be starting with our prawns or shrimps. You can use any one you prefer, prawns, shrimps, or both. And I've added some paprika, some salt, some seasoning, some onion powder, garlic ginger paste, and I'm adding everything all together. I added some black pepper as well. So you're going to be mixing this all together. You can see I'm wearing some gloves. If you can mix it with your hands, no problem. You can mix it with a spoon, anything. Just make sure that the seasoning and all the herbs are well put together. I'm adding this medium cooking sauce. It's a tomato based sauce. I love it so much. I love using it for my pasta. It has a lot of herbs in it, coriander, cumin, and it makes my dish taste so differently. So guys, you can use any other sauce of your choice, but this is the one I used for this video. So I'm ready with my shrimps or my prawns now, and I have some cooking oil already on my pan. So what we're going to be doing is to fry the shrimps and the prawns for like 2 to 3 minutes. You know that it doesn't take long for shrimps to cook at all, so you have to be very careful so that you don't overcook it. Just cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes. It doesn't take time at all. So you want to flip it over so that you're sure that it has cooked on both sides and not just on one side. And you set it aside and let's continue with the cooking. So now we have some boiling water. We are going to be adding some salt to it and some cooking oil as well. This is optional. Some people don't like using cooking oil for their pasta, and it is absolutely fine. I have my penne pasta here and I'm using the whole pack. It's not a lot there, that's about 400 grams, and I'm just going to cook this pasta till it's about 90% done. You have to be careful so that it's not soggy and it's ready for your meal at the end of the day. So I have my cooking oil here, my onions, of course, onions definitely all the way. And I'm going to be stir frying this for like 2 to 3 minutes until when it is less crunchy and when it's like a little bit caramelized, so that it can go ahead and to go along with every other vegetable or any other spice or herb I'm using with this. So at this point I'm going to be adding other peppers and all my bell peppers to it. I have my bell peppers ready to be added. I have red, orange, and green pepper. I have some green chili peppers as well, and this is what I'm adding right now. My green chilies, my green bell peppers, my orange bell peppers, my red bell peppers, everything is going in at this point. I'm going to be stir frying it a little bit. If you notice, the oil is not so much, but this is what I want because we're going to be adding a lot of like vegetable products, or sorry, oil-based products to this dish. So I'm trying to be careful not to add so much oil from the beginning because I'm still going to be adding my cream, I'm going to be adding my cheese, and that's a lot if you ask me. My ginger garlic paste is going in. I'm adding some more chili because I like chili. Please keep this if this is not what you like, but I like chili. For the fact that I'm using cream, I like chili. I'm adding some black pepper as well, just to give it like for extra spice basically, guys. And I'm just tossing this all together. I've added my seasoning as well. You can go ahead to add salt if you want, but for me I'll skip that because salt is contained in every other thing like the sauce I used. And so guys, my cooking cream goes in now. I used about 2 cups and I'm just stirring this to make it like accumulate all the spice and all the seasoning I've used from the beginning. And my pasta cheese is ready as well. This is the pasta cheese I just bought in a bag and it came already shredded. No need for me to shred it at all. I just took about half of the pasta bag and I added it to my sauce as well. This is optional if you don't like or if you don't use cheese. I'm allowing this to simmer for like 2 minutes, and here goes in my cooked pasta. Like I said from the beginning, try not to make it so soggy so that it still stays whole as much as possible, and be careful so that you don't mix it. I'm just tossing it carefully here and there so that it doesn't like break up and all that. So I'm adding my fried shrimps. You'll see what I'm going to do at the end. I saved some for the last part because this shrimps is going to like disappear all into my dish, and I don't want to be looking for shrimps at the end of the day. You can see that it's creamy, it's well fused together, but what I do is that I like separating it at the end so that at least I can still see some things and I can still make my dish out separately. I'm adding some spring onions as well. I'm still going to save some for garnishing later on. Like I said, it's going to disappear all into the meal, so of course I like to save some as well for later. And ta-da! This is my meal, my creamy prawn pasta, and you can see, like I said, I saved some and for the last. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Glad to see you. Please come back next time. Bye.